Here is a video tutorial on how to reset oil service light on BMW 3 Series F30 F31 F34 from 2011 to 2019 in 5 easy steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. 1. Turn the ignition on pressing on the start-stop engine button once. Make sure that the foot is not on the brake or clutch pedal, because you don't want to start the engine. Then wait until all the warning lights are off. 2. Press on the left button from the instrument cluster and keep pressing until you enter the service menu. You'll see the Reset Possible message appear on display. 3. Let go of the button and then press 2 times more to see the oil warning icon and Reset Possible message. 4. Press again on the button and keep pressing until you see the message Perform Reset. Then press on the button and keep pressing until you see the Reset Successful message. This is a simulation and we did not reset the service oil because it was already done. Five. Turn the ignition off. To check if the oil service reset was done correctly, turn the ignition on and check if the oil service light is off. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto.